Now, how do you add writing on iMovie using the iPad? Let's get started. So I'm usually just open up the iMovie application, and once you have your project ready, you can open it up like this. Make sure you are inside of the edit mode, and in order to add the writing or some text, you can tap on the plus button in the top right corner like that, and you have the ability to import all of your clips into the timeline. But once you have the clips selected at the bottom, just select one of the clips which you have imported, and then you have the ability to add a title. So you can see there is like a little T icon, so you can tap on it like this, and a bunch of presets are gonna appear. As you can see, it's not that many, to be honest, but you can add just a basic text if you want. So you can tap on the screen like that and just type in whichever option you want, right? So you can just type in something as a text and add the writing to the iMovie. Keep in mind that iMovie is kind of basic, so there aren't going to be that many features. I personally recommend people to use CapCut Video Editor, as that one is much better and much more versatile. It also has the ability to add text, but it also has much more features and templates to play with the text. But regardless, that's it from me. Let me know what you think about that below. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video, and I'll see you later.